hey, you're not allowed to fraternize during when you're serious. Later, maybe. I'm afraid you're going to not pay attention.
I didn't do it.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
I'm worried I'm not going to have her attention.
Want me to see one or
We go the wrong way!
Back to the hoop, to the yellow tunnel.
Yeah, I know, and I'm like, I don't want to chance it by letting her do too much.
Yeah, afterwards.
Over. Over. Oh.
Rat.
We ran 10 miles, and by the end, you know, like, we were just tired, like a normal dog. You know, it was like we would never even run. It was like,